Video, I'm going to teach you how to get started in QuickBooks Online. Log in, explore modules, create an invoice, reconcile, and run reports. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the key areas you'll use every day, entering a basic transaction, matching it to your records, and seeing your financial snapshot. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. Open your browser, go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page, enter your email and password, and click Sign In. If you use two-step verification, complete that as prompted. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, let's get oriented by opening the main modules from the top menu in order to see what lives where. Start with accounting. Here you can view your chart of accounts and the register for each account, which is your running list of transactions. Move to expenses and pay bills to review existing expenses and vendor payments so you know what's already recorded. Head to Sales and Get Paid to view your invoices and customer payments, the heart of your income. Open Customers to see your customer list and check who you're doing business with. If you see Marketing, explore available campaigns. This may vary depending on your region and plan. In Team, you can view the users who have access to your company file. In VAT, check your tax setup to ensure your rates and filing details look right. Finally, open Payroll if your plan supports it, to view payroll tasks and history. Some modules may not appear if they're not included in your subscription. Now, let's create a transaction, specifically an invoice. Click the plus New button, choose Invoice, then select the customer. Enter the product or service, the quantity, and the rate. You'll see the amount calculate automatically. When you're done, click Save and Close to add it to your records. With transactions in, it's time to reconcile. Go to Accounting and click Reconcile. Choose the bank account you want to reconcile. Grab your latest bank statement and compare the statement's beginning and ending balances with what you see on screen. Check off the transactions in QuickBooks that match your statement. As you mark matches, the difference should move towards 0. When everything aligns, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. Finally, run your core reports. Click Reports in the left menu. Select either Profit and Loss to see income and expenses over a period, or Balance Sheet to view assets, liabilities, and equity at a point in time. Set your date range and click Run Report. Use these insights to confirm your books look accurate and up to date. That's it. Simple steps that build a solid bookkeeping routine.